The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boyd County in Kentucky, north central Lawrence County in Kentucky, west central Cabell County in West Virginia, northern Wayne County in West Virginia, and southeastern Lawrence County in Ohio, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Cannonsburg, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Cannonsburg, Ashland, Huntington, Beech Fork State Park, Proctorville, Chesapeake, in addition, Durden, Burnaw, Catlettsburg, Kenova, and Cerrito. This storm will also impact the following interstates: I-64 between mile markers 181 and 191 in Kentucky and between mile markers 1 and 17 in West Virginia. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's number one killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Very heavy rain will also fall from this severe thunderstorm, and will cause water to pond on roads and quickly fill roadside ditches and small streams. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free, area code 877-633-6772, when you can do so safely.